Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to log out of your eBay account. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your eBay app. Then over here you can see the option of My eBay near the home icon. Tap on it, scroll a little down, then there you can see the option of settings. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of sign out. If you are bored of shopping and if you want to log out of your eBay app, then do the process. Tap on sign out, then after. There you go, you have been signed out of. You can see you have been signed out of your eBay account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe for more such content.